What's up, River City Live? You know, when Rance and I hit the road, we like food, we like fun, we like fashion, but today we're gonna get fit. We are here at DivaDance Studios and we're gonna get our choreo on.
Yeah, so I'm all about new experiences, trying some stuff to do fitness outside the box.
Exactly, so we're gonna have a lot of fun, we're gonna look good doing it. You ready to get your diva on?
Yeah.
Let's. So before Rance and I get our dance on, we are going to talk to the DivaDance team to learn exactly what happens in this studio. So I am here with the owner and the founder of the Jacksonville location. So what can you expect when you come to DivaDance?
So what you can expect coming to DivaDance is feeling confident and feeling like you're gonna make lifetime friends. When you come in, you get hugged, you get welcomed, we'll sign you in, and then we definitely build that confident enough where you can actually come in and enjoy yourself for dance.
I will say I completely agree with you. When you walk through these doors, it is like positive sensory overload because you see smiles, you get high fives, you're getting hugged, you're getting swag, and it's all from the second you walk in to the second you leave. So it's a really positive, fun experience. What are the different event and class options that you have here?
So we offer so many different types of genres here. We do pop, we do hip hop, we do pom-poms, heel and chairs. We even do Broadway classes as well. So we offer different workshops too. So if you want to learn how to twerk, you can join our twerk shop. If you want to learn how to do a lyrical move, we can definitely do that as well. We also offer music videos and recitals as well.
Now that Rance and I have gotten the full DivaDance meet and greet experience, let's get to the routine.
So you're going to be learning a party routine because we do birthday parties and bachelorette parties. And what that entails is the person that's in charge of the party will be the star. And we're going to show you our iconic DivaDance moves to the routine and show you guys a really great time.
Something to know about this chief diva in charge, Jasmine Batista, is that she previously served in the United States Navy. After an unexpected injury cut her naval career short, she turned her attentions to inspiring locals in the Jacksonville community to step out of their comfort zones and into their star power.
So the reason why I brought DivaDance here was to provide dancers in our community the access that professional dancers always had. So you have the mother that never got to be that cheerleader. You had one individual that was probably very voluptuous and never got to be in that music video. And I wanted to provide to Jacksonville that opportunity that you can be a star. Doesn't matter your gender, your size, your skin color, we welcome everybody because dancers come in all shapes and form. And what we do is one part of our values is that we inspire confidence and we build a community. That's why you'll feel that love as soon as you walk through that door and as soon as you leave. This is a studio for everyone, including you. We would love to see you become a star here in Jacksonville.